Okay, good morning. Welcome to Math Project 76.
Wow.
Today we have kind of a famous problem because this is a problem that almost everybody gets wrong. And so we're going to try today to not get it wrong, okay?
Okay.
We're going to work carefully and get it right. All right, so here's the problem. The cost of 2 books is $100 together, right?
Yeah.
So you bought 2 books and it costs $100. If one book costs $90 more than the other book, what is the cost of each book?
Whoa.
Okay, do you understand the problem?
Yeah.
All right, tell me what it is.
Well, we got 2 books, and altogether they're 100, but one book is 90 more than the other book.
Okay, and what are we supposed to figure out?
What is the cost of each book?
Okay, wonderful.
Now,
Okay. All right, so go ahead. How do you want to attack this problem?
well, I'm gonna call the books book A and B.
Okay.
So we know that A plus B equals 100.
Okay.
And then A minus B equals 90.
Okay, very good. All right. What do you want to do now?
Let's see.
What do you want to do to those equations?
We could add them together.
Okay. So the easiest thing to do sometimes when you have 2 equations like this is call this equation 1 and call that equation 2.
So 1 plus 2.
Okay, 1 plus 2. What do you get when you do equation 1 plus equation 2?
Well, I got A plus A is 2A. Then we have a plus B minus B, which is just a 0.
Okay.
So we got 2A and we add 100. Well, 2A equals 190.
2a equals 190. Okay. Very good.
I'm just gonna write 2A equals 190, and 1 plus 2 also equals 190.
Right, equation 1 plus equation 2 equals 190, and that means that 2a equals 190.
Well, that means that A.
That a kind of looks like a 9. Here, let me erase it so you can write it again.
A equals 80.
How did you figure that out?
190 divided by 2. Well, no. 90 divided by 2. No, that's not.
It's not 80.
Well, how do you
figure out what 190 divided by 2 is?
if you take off the 0, so 19 is not divisible by 2.
Okay.
So what is 190 divided by 2? 100 divided by 2 is 50. 90 divided by 2 is 45. 90 divided by 2 is 45. So we got so A equals 95.
Okay, so a equals 95, and the way you can always double check is what is 95? What should 95 plus 95 be?
190.
190. So just double check that 95 plus 95 is 190.
9 plus 90 is 180, and 5 plus 5 is 10. 190.
Okay, so good. So A is 95. Very good.
Well, that means B is 5.
Okay, how did you figure that out?
Well, because we only got $5 more left for the 100. Because
Okay.
equation 1 says A plus B is 100.
Okay, so if A is 95, this equation says that 95 plus B equals 100.
So B has to be 5.
B has to be 5. Okay, so what are the cost of the 2 books?
95 and 5.
95.
One's really cheap and one's really expensive.
One's really cheap and one's really expensive.
What's the homework problem?
Okay, it's Olympiad 74, number 3. Homework is Olympiad 74, problem number 3.
Cool.
Okay. Now, let me tell you what many people do when they get this problem wrong.
Hey, Daddy, I was actually thinking Right from the beginning, I was thinking that B was 5.
Really?
Yeah,
That's a great job.
but I just wanted to double check.
Yeah, so what most people do
Yeah,
is they say, oh, one must be 10 and one must be 90.
that's not right.
It's not right, because they think 10 plus 90 adds up to 100, which is right, but 90 minus 10 is just 80. So a lot of people get this problem wrong because they go too fast.
Yeah, they think it's really easy.
They think it's really easy, but it actually takes a little bit of thinking. Anyway, good job today, sweetie. All right.
Yeah.
Hopefully the homework goes well.